Exactly why I placed it here. Because it started raining. While most of you guys got garages, we outside. In the rain, in the cold, we outside. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are back at it again with another video. We are live and direct from the garage. And in this episode, it's just pretty much a breakdown of everything that I've done so far, the cost, where I got it from, and just give you an update on the garage. We are still missing a few more mods, and I believe maybe in the next couple of months, I should be done whatsoever and go from there. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna turn the camera around, show you how the garage looks, and like always, I'm super transparent. And I'm gonna give you feedback, guys. Do I recommend or do I not recommend? But let's get it. Dale. So boys, we're gonna start with the colors. Of course, we have the ceiling in tricorn black. It's a flat, it's from Charlotte Williams. And the walls are Harbor Gray. Of course, inspired by Obsessed Garage. You know, they are the best, but kind of expensive, guys. And this build was done on a budget. I think I spent about $250, maybe $300 in paint and supplies and whatnot. And let's just put $300, just because I did had to buy more paint and whatnot. And yeah, it is what it is. So let's put $300. Of course, we got the Amazon strip lights. They are the ones that go around the garage. They were about 20 bucks, something cheap. I got it from Amazon again, and I love them. They are nice. Let's go ahead and turn them on. Alexa, garage light off. So you come here, and you plug them in, and I have them in green right now, but you could, of course, change the color, and I love it. I love it. Alexa, garage light on. Now, when it comes to these lights, they are Barina, I believe T4, T6, I'm not sure. I spent about, if I'm correct, it was $120 for 12 of them. They might be cheaper. Again, these were actually one of the first mods that I did to my garage. So it was like 120 and whatnot. And I do have them linked to an Amazon plug in the attic. So 120, $20 for the light, about 300 give or take on the paint, supplies and whatnot. This camera, it's a Eufy camera, also connected to the attic, and I love it because it rotates and it follows you and whatnot. I believe I got it for about $30 from Amazon as well. Loving it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let's keep going. When it comes to the garage door, I got the installation from Lowe's. I believe it was $60 for a pack of panels of 8. And I bought 2, and this is what I got. So for $120, I insulated my own garage door and whatnot. My garage opener, I got it from, I believe it was eBay. It was on sale, brand new. It was $450. It's the Chamberlain 450, and then with shipping, it went to like $475 and whatnot. So that was a good deal. And this is not the, this is the one with the backup battery. ESP, and it's a Chamberlain. The model number, I don't know. but it's not the 500 one. There's another one that's like reddish. It's not that one, it's the better one. Of course, I installed it myself, and it was $450, $475, give or take. When it comes to the pressure washer setup, I spent about $1,000. And of course, the most expensive piece was the Cox reel with the hoses, MTM gun, and I plastic dipped this and it's already, you know, getting yellow again, the Karcher pressure washer. But this setup was about $1,000, $1,050. And do I recommend it? Hell yeah. I still have to do plumbing, but you know, for now, I'm using this huge hose right here, and I'm getting the water from outside. So I'll just go ahead, get this hose, move it around, and get the water from a spigot that I have behind there. The plan is to pretty much just make a hole here and just do PVC piping and through over there and just get the water supply from the spigot. But then again, you know, I don't have time, so that we definitely have to do. These, whatever you want to call them, I got them from Walmart. These frames, I got them from Walmart. They were super expensive. I'm not sure why. They were $25 a pop, and yeah, I don't know why. That's not including the pictures, of course. These are from, I think this is Tuner Coat, 8080, and Tuner Coat as well. So, yeah. Got this flag from, I think it was eBay for like, I think $25 and whatnot. Of course, I got my Max Jack. I got it used. Again, guys, I'm not rich. I'm not rich. I wish I was, but I'm not rich. These go anywhere from, I'll say, $1,500 to $3,000. This is the first generation. Yeah, and it is what it is. So I'm not gonna tell you how much I spent. If you follow me, you know how much I spent, but yeah, it all depends, you know, it all depends. I got this from Amazon or Temu, something like that. It's a showcase. It was about, I think, $300. I love it because you could turn it on and it showcase white, blue, and I love it. I love it. Of course, we got the cookie tail lights, super expensive side, whatnot. I got this from Amazon. This was like about $20 to $25. Yep. Got the fridge, the New Air fridge. That's what it's called, New Air. I think I spent $300 on sale, way back. Been working fine, and I love it. I love it. My toolbox, Husky toolbox. I got it secondhand. I got it used. It was for $1,000, and yeah, it was $1,000. You know, it is what it is. Got my little TV there. I got it for like about $60. My JBLs, I got it brand new. It was like $300 back in the day. I got this Husky thing. I got it from eBay. It was $70, brand new and whatnot. This one was given to me for free, and yeah. $50, the frames from, I don't know, it was a shop in Miami and whatnot. And yeah, guys, the flooring, of course, the flooring was a little expensive. It was about $1,700 back in the day. I had a sale. There was a sale going on. Now, I love these floors, but I have to clean them, guys. As you guys can see, there is white powder stuff, and that's because I was sanding the carbon fiber hood and, well, wet sanding, and it's just super dirty. So the plan is to pretty much pull the whole entire floor and just clean the whole floor, and then clean the tiles and whatnot. Of course, I have to paint over here, this half portion again, just because my brown MR2's been there, sitting there for a while, for almost a year, and I don't know, I had a whole bunch of stuff back there. So that's what it is. This is my garage, guys. It's built on a budget. I think well, I'm gonna add everything up and whatnot, but it's built on a budget. And yeah, man, this is my garage. I love it. I'm blessed because, you know, I used to be working outside on the ground, on the floor. So yeah, I'm blessed, guys. Anyways, the next mod should be here by Friday. Today is Wednesday, so in 2 days, we should have something major for this garage, and that is a mini split, guys. We need AC, so I'm gonna put it right there. And yeah, guys, that's what I got. After that's done, the next setup is going to be the vacuum setup. And I've seen Obsessed Garage with a new vacuum setup that it's on top. I don't know, it's like you bring down a hose and it's through the walls. I don't know, so we'll see. Or I'll just go with the generic one, the old version, which is the Cox reel, 50 or 75 feet of hoses when it comes to the vacuum line, and just go with a vacuum made. So we'll see, we'll figure it out. And of course we need new pages, because I never laminated them. So gotta laminate them and go from there. And this is for my MR2 peeps. But yeah, guys, this is my garage. So 2 things we're missing. We're missing the AC, we're missing the vacuum setup, and then I plan on putting a sign there with my logo. And yeah, that's what I got. All right, boys, we're gonna install a mini split right over here. So stay tuned. All right, boys, coming along. Boys, here's my mini split, fully installed. And yeah, guys, we are ready to out with the old and with the new, guys. Laminated and ready to go. Now much better. I love it. Garbage. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna break down the video on. I'm gonna break down the cost of everything, and I should leave it somewhere here. This is how much I spent. This has been my budget build, and I'm blessed. Anyways, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if I did it, so can you. So let's get it. Jolly.